In this video, I want to give you a couple examples of how to use the logarithm laws with the natural logarithm. In our first example, we have three expressions, all involving the natural logarithm, and we want to combine them into a single natural logarithm. In order for us to use the addition or subtraction properties, we need to remove the coefficients in front of our natural logarithms, and we can remove the 3 and the 1/2 by putting them up into the power of whatever is inside of our natural log. So for our first term, we're going to get ln of x minus 1 cubed. Our second term becomes ln of 4x to the power of 1/2. And our last term stays the same as minus ln of x. Now let's do a little bit of work simplifying this expression here. We can think of the power of 1/2 as the square root. So what we really get is the square root of 4x. The square root of 4 is 2. So we get ln of 2 times the square root of x. Now that we don't have any more coefficients in front of our natural logarithms, we can apply the addition and subtraction laws. First, let's deal with the addition law. We're going to combine these two logarithms to get ln of x minus 1 cubed times 2 root x. And then our last step, we can combine these last two logarithms using the subtraction property of logs. And this is going to give us ln of, I'm going to put the 2 root x first, and we get x in our denominator. Now I've noticed here that we can do a little bit more simplification, so let's go ahead and do that. And doing this simplification will give us ln of 2 times x minus 1 cubed all over the square root of x. And if you're wondering where this root x comes from, I've done the side work over here, simplifying those two expressions that were in our last natural logarithm. Remember that all of your logarithm laws work in both directions, so we can also expand a single natural logarithmic expression. To expand this expression, let's first deal with the fraction. So I'm going to change the division into a subtraction of natural logarithms. So my first step here is to take ln of the numerator, which is 3 to the x, x minus 1, and subtract ln of our denominator, which is e. This expression here we can break up one more time. We have 3 to the x times x minus 1. So we can break this apart using an addition of natural logarithms, ln of 3 to the power of x plus ln of x minus 1. Over here, ln of e is equal to 1. That is just a fact that you need to know for your calculus class. And one final step, because there technically is a power here, 3 to the power of x, we can use the power law to bring that x down and write it in front of our natural logarithm to get x times ln of 3 plus ln of x minus 1 minus 1.